camping. Charot.
Thank you.
Saan naman yung kaprito na ito, mang? Hunong naman. Smile sa amin.
What highway is that, like from River?
Oh, the 6 mile highway there?
That's where the cross is. That's where we go every April 18th. So this is a cheesy.
In kaso.
Thank you. Golfer.
Hi guys! It is Tuesday and hi Kathy! So welcome to my channel. Gani, thank you for buying us some drinks and have some supper now. I'm gonna go to Grandma's. The Grandmas are hiding on the camper because they were cold. Hi mga Grandmas, mga mamang, mga inday! So thank you. They were hiding here. They're making themselves coffee. So dira na sila kay gipang tugnaw. So welcome to my vlog. Charot. So Kathy's right there. Kelly, please hit like, share, and
Subscribe! Thank you, Tayo!
thank you kaayo. And Auntie Ida is there. Jen is right there. Gani, Tata.
35?
So I won't be vlogging for a while because I'm so busy. I'm here in Regional Park and vlogging. Clea's right there. She has a channel too. Please follow. This is Kiana, Kira, Cindy, and Colton and Michael. Okay, thanks. So we are at the Regional Park. We have the fire pit. Finally, thank you, Lord. Fire ban is lifted just tonight. No.
I have no idea.
Oh yeah, I don't know. We're not sure, but they lifted tonight. So it's been a month we didn't have a fire. So it's good. Let's go here and say hi to Kelly. Please hit like, share, and prescribe. So I just want to thank Mamang Flory for sharing my YouTube channel in Facebook, in her Facebook. Thanks, Mamang Flory! Mang! Nagchika-chika sila dira. So thank you, Mamang Flory. She's sharing my YouTube channel in her Facebook account. Thank you. Oh, it's hot in here. I'm gonna adjust it. So I am inside the camper with Mamang Flory and Mom. Nagtago sila dira guys kay tugnaw sa gawas. Bisag na ay fire. Dira ra ang mga momshi. So guys, Tata decided to cook some noodles. She's over there. She's gonna sleep over there. And I'm gonna sleep here alone because my kids and Kelly went home. And we are gonna sleep in the camper. Yoo-hoo! We're camping. Anyway, tomorrow is another day. We are going to PA tomorrow. We're gonna do some groceries. Me and Tata is gonna get so busy. So we're gonna eat noodles to make it stronger. Good morning, guys. I just got up. Usually when we camp, we sleep all morning, relax, but we have to still get up and work. We're gonna go to PA today. Mangumpra mi ni Tata. And so I slept over there. Sorry for the mess. That's my sleeping bag. I'm gonna clean up before we leave. So I slept there. Good morning, Tata. So, wala ni sleep diri. So, anyway, I started my coffee already. I boiled some water. Magpalit tag water ta. Bibili tayo ng tubig mamaya kasi naubusan tayo. I don't really used the tap water kasi hindi namin alam kung naiinom yan or whatever, but naubusan kami ng tubig. Okay, so we will have some coffee. So we are gonna go outside and have some coffee. Mag-coffee tayo guys. Messy kayo, ako ang camper, but inana dyan ang camping. Magluto meron og itlog o corned beef ni tata. So, okay, let's go outside. Take a look outside. Puntahan natin ang outside. Oh, it's not bad. Good morning, Regional Park, Nipawin. So the kids' bike, they left it here. I told them to lock it up. Among pagkaon gabi na adira. Wala may birds karunta. Hindi nag-ingay ang birds ngayon. Sabi nila hindi natin gisingin sila Roxanne kasi aalis sa PA. So we're just gonna have some coffee and then go shopping. So here's our coffee. Mag-coffee tayo. Sigado ko muna to para walang papasok na langaw. Good morning. I think the sun is shining. So we are here at the Regional Park again, guys, at Nipawin Site 36. Come visit us. I'm just gonna do my chair para relaxing man mag-coffee dito. Murag na off na siguro ang fire na. So we are ready, we showered, we clean up, and we are gonna have some breakfast. So dyan lang kayo. Hello everyone, we are in Filipino Bistro. Welcome to Prince Albert. Mommy Ed and Tata. We are gonna have some lunch again in a Filipino Bistro in PA. You guys should try to come out here and try their foods. It's really good and good cook. Okay guys, if everyone's wondering where Filipino Bistro here in Prince Albert, I'm gonna flip this camera. So it is 1499 10th Avenue East in Prince Albert. Again, it is a Filipino. So our order came. Set up guys. So wala ang diet na mo ani. Anyway, we're gonna eat. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog guys.